Sunday is Earth Day, and April is Earth Month, when we show our support for protecting our planet. Here in Montgomery County, every month is Earth Month. We have become a model sustainable community. We have gone carbon neutral, are the first county to have established a green bank, and the first county to require commercial building owners to benchmark how much energy they use, among many other examples that have gone on for far beyond when I joined our council. Mr. Leventhal was a leader in our environmental work. Ms. Florine was a leader in our environmental work, but our entire council has been an environmental leader for our county and for the nation. But as much as we have done, there is much more to do, and we must do it more quickly than we have anticipated because our planet is warming at a rapid pace. Just yesterday, NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Studies announced that March 2018 was one of the 6 warmest Marches on record in 138 years of modern record keeping, and almost a full degree Celsius warmer than the average March between 1951 and 1980. Also yesterday, NOAA announced the amount of sea ice in the Bering Sea was less this winter than in any year since written records of sea ice began in 1850. In December, this council declared that we are in a climate emergency and that we must accelerate our goals for reducing greenhouse gas emissions to 0 by 2035, so we can do our part in countering the dangerous warming of our planet. Earth Month is not just about global warming, it's about all facets of environmental protection, include how we protect our streams, waters, resources, and forests. These are issues we take seriously here, including later today when we discuss our county stormwater management program. So I thank the Department of Environmental Protection for its important work and all our residents who continue to push for what's right for our planet. And particularly, I want to thank our DEP because actually the head of EPA nationally, not so much. So it really does mean that those of us who care about this issue have to do more, because what is taking place at the federal level that was actually given some expression today in our invocation is just so wrong. And so we really do need to step into the breach and do what is right. So I turn to our acting DEP director.
Thank you, Mr. Berliner. Good morning, everybody. And we just are very proud to be part of this. We agree with everything that you said. We do need to be leaders. We have been leaders, but as you say, the pressure is really greater than it has ever been. So we're proud to be part of this. We thank you, as well as all the other council members, for their leadership. And we are committed to continue to do everything that is necessary to do to protect our planet.
So now I will read this proclamation. Whereas the mission of the Department of Environmental Protection is to enhance the quality of life in our community by protecting and improving Montgomery County's air, water, and land in a sustainable way, while fostering smart growth, a thriving economy, and healthy communities. And whereas Montgomery County embraces environmental stewardship locally, regionally, and globally as a fundamental responsibility to preserve and sustain our planet. And whereas all people, regardless of race, gender, income, or religion, have a moral right to a healthy, sustainable environment. And whereas the celebration of Earth Month in April is an annual reminder of the constant need for environmental activism, stewardship commitments, and sustainability efforts. And whereas it is more important than ever to act locally and to cooperate internationally to protect and conserve our natural resources for future generations. Now, therefore, do we, Isaiah Leggett as County Executive and Roger Berliner as County Council Member, hereby proclaim the month of April as Earth Month in Montgomery County. We encourage all residents to continue to act locally, to do their part, to preserve and sustain our county's natural resources, and be responsible to protect our Earth. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I get it.
And then you get that, and we will take that.